If you have unwanted facial hair on your chin, cheeks, or forehead, I have an incredible remedy for you. This mask takes only 5 to 10 minutes to prepare, and the very first time you peel it off, you will actually see the hair coming out of your face. What you need: gelatin powder, fresh milk, and coffee powder. This mask will not work if you mix it normally. You must use the double boiling process. Take a large pan with water and place it on the stove. Place a smaller bowl inside the pan so the steam heats the bowl, not direct fire. Mix all 3 ingredients in the small bowl. Stir for 5 to 7 minutes until it turns into a thick, smooth paste. Remove from heat and let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes only. Don't wait longer, or it will become too hard to apply. Once it reaches a comfortable temperature, apply it to a clean face. Leave it on until it is completely dry. Peel it off gently. It will come off in patches like a peel-off mask. As you remove the mask, it will pull out facial hair, whiteheads and blackheads, deep-seated dirt and tan. Your skin will feel incredibly clean after the very